Friends, how are you? I hope that all of you are well and good. Today, in this new video, I am going to discuss with you multiple choice questions from the story The Enemy. As you know that in this month, August, your test is going to take place. Therefore, I am going to discuss with you a few multiple choice questions. These are not only important in view of the unit test, but also it also enhance our understanding about the text, about the story. So students, let's start. Now the first question for you is the name of the main character in The Enemy. The first option is Dr. Sadao, Dr. Huan Shang, B. Dr. Sadao Hoki, C. Dr. Chung Hua, D. Dr. Hao Chi. So now the correct answer is B. Dr. Sadao Hoki. Okay, now next question. Those islands yonder, they are the stepping stones to the future for Japanese words were spoken by Sadao. So now I am repeating the question. Those islands yonder, they are the stepping stones to the future for Japanese words were spoken by Sadao's A. Father, B. Mother, C. Nephew, D. Wife. So the correct answer is A. That is father. Okay, now this is in the beginning of the story. Okay, student. Now next question. The chief concern for Sadao's father was Sadao's marriage, B. Sadao's education, C. Sadao's migration, D. Sadao's treatment. So now the correct answer is B. Sadao's education. Now students, I come to the fourth question. The fourth question is Sadao went to America when he was A. 42 years old, 2. B. 22 years old, C. 50 years old, D. 18 years old. So now correct answer is B. That is 22 years old. Now next question is fifth. Sadao went to America to learn A. Psychiatry, B. Surgery and medicine, C. Music, D. Fine arts. So now correct answer is B. Surgery and medicine, because he was a doctor. Okay, now next question is Sadao became not only a surgeon but also A. An astronomer, A. Scientist, C. A pianist, D. A vocalist. So now the correct answer is B. That means a scientist. But not only he was a doctor but also a scientist. Okay, student. Now next question is 7. He was not sent abroad with the troops because, so now A. The general needed an operation, B. His wife did not let him go, C. He wanted to stay back, his father did not allow him to go. So now C. He wanted to stay back, D. His father did not allow him to go. So now students, what the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Okay student, the general needed an operation. This is why he didn't go with the troops. You will learn in the story. Now next is 8th. Sadao's wife's name was A. Mary, B. Hannah, C. Christine, D. Judy. So now the correct answer is B. That is Hannah. Now next question is for you is 9. Sadao met his wife in A. Japan, B. China, C. America, D. India. So now the correct answer is C, that is America, because both actually were there for study. So they met, okay, in America. You must have read that. Okay, now 10th question. Sadao had met Hannah at the house of A friend, B a student, C his American professor, D a cousin. So now the correct answer is C. That means his American professor cousin. 11. Sadao and his wife had now A. Two children, B. One child, C. Three children, D. No children. So now the correct answer is uh, A. That is two children. Okay, now next question 12. When the body of the soldier was washed ashore, Sadao was with A. His servants, B. His guard, C. His wife, D. His kids. Now the correct answer is C. His wife. Okay. Now next question is 13. A first thou thought he was an A. Fisherman, B. A criminal, or C. A policeman, a politician, D. A singer. At first thou thought he was an A. Fisherman, B. A criminal, C. A a politician, D. A singer. So now the correct answer is the correct answer is if at first thou thought he was an. Actually, it is wrongly printed here. Uh, at first he thought himself as the doctor, ठीक है ना? But the options are here wrong. Okay, now next question is the man found by Sadao and Hannah was 14. A. The 14 a white man, B. A black, C. A Japanese, D. An Anglo-Indian. So now the correct answer is A white man. Okay, he was an American. You must have read in the story. Now 15. The soldier had been A. Stabbed, B. Shot, C. Beaten up, D. Slapped hard. So now the correct answer is B. That is shot, because that USA soldier. Okay, he was shot. 16 question. Sadao at first decided to A. Treat the soldier, B. Throw him back in the sea, C. Hand him over to the police, D. Make him unconscious. Now 16th question, correct answer is B. That means throw him back in the sea. Now next question. The wounded soldier belonged to A. The Russian army, B. US Navy, C. The British army, C. D. The Japanese army. So the correct answer is US Navy. Okay, 17th is US Navy. Okay, now next question. Sadao and Hannah decided to take the soldier. So now the options are A. Inside their house, B. To the police station, C. To the movie theater, D. To the park. So the correct answer is A. That means inside their house. Now next question. Both Sadao and Hannah thought that keeping the wounded soldier in their house would A. Win them a reward, B. Endanger all of them, C. Arouse police suspension, make the servants angry. C. Arouse police suspicion, D. अराउज माने बढ़ाएगा, पुलिस सस्पिशन में पुलिस का शक. नाउ डी, मेक द सर्वेंट्स एंग्री. तो नाउ द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी. ओके, in danger all of them. Okay, now next, because He that was the person actually who was shot by police. His name was Tom, and okay, under the rule of the government, so the all actually will going to suffer. Therefore, he started to think. Okay, now 20th question. The soldier was kept in A. Sadao's guest room, B. Sadao's father's room, C. Sadao's servant quarter, D. Sadao's study room. So, students, the correct answer is B. Okay, that means key Sadao's father's room. Now 21, the question number 21. The first treatment Sadao gave the wounded soldier was A. His wounds were washed, B. He was operated upon, C. He was fed, D. His wounds were dressed. So now the correct answer is A. His wounds were washed. 22. Hannes wanted the soldier to be washed. Hans wanted the soldier to be washed by the servants, Yumi, the grandfather, C, the policeman, D, the security guard. So now the correct answer is A, that means the servants, Yumi. 23. The reaction of the servants when told about the injured person was A, they got angry, B, they were frightened, C, they were willing to help, D, they ran away. So now the correct answer is B. That means they were frightened. 24. The servants wanted the master A to operate upon the soldier, B to heal the wounds, C to throw him in the sea, D to let him just die. Okay. Now 24th question is the correct answer is D. D is to let him just die. Now, when Yumi the servants refused to help, Hana told her that she could get out of the house, B. Go back to the baby's room, go and cook food, D. She and Sadao would hand him over as a prisoner after making him conscious. Okay, so now the correct answer is D. She and Sadao would hand him over as a prisoner after making him conscious. Now next question 26. Sadao was assisting during the operation by A. Yumi, B. Hanas, C. His grandmother, D. His driver. So now the correct answer is B. That means Hana. Okay, now next question 27. While Sadao operating upon the wounded soldier, Liana had to rush out to A. Drink water, B. Rest for a while, C. To vomit, D. To check on the babies. So now the students correct answer is 27. Correct answer is C. That means key to vomit. Okay, now next question 28. Liana assisted Sadao in giving the soldier A. Anesthetic, B. Artificial respiration, C. Dressing the wounds, C. Dressing the wounds, D. Removing the bullet from the body. Okay, so student, the correct option is A. That means key anesthetic. Okay, now next question 29. Sadao removed the bullet from close to soldiers. A. Heart, B. Liver, lungs, C. Kidney, D. Lungs. So now the correct answer is C. That means kidney. 30. Sadao kept addressing the soldier as A. My enemy, B. My comrade, C. My buddy, D. My friend. So now Sadao told him as D, my friend. 31. The recovering soldier was fed by A. Sadao, B. Sadao's servants, C. Yumi, D. Hana. Okay, so now the correct answer is D. That means Hana. Okay, now 32. Sadao had a shout at the soldier of the third day because A. He had gone but out of the room. B. He was sitting up. C. He was reading a newspaper. D. He was talking to Yumi. Okay, now the correct answer is B. That means he was reading a newspaper. Now next question 33. All the servants in Sadao's household A were happy with their master. B felt that he deserved a reward. C were very critical of him. D wanted him to let the soldier die. So now the correct answer is C. Correct answer is C. Were very critical of him. Now next 34. 34. The name of the prisoner as told to Hanas was A. Tom, B. Dick, C. Harry, D. John. Okay, so now 34. A. That means Tom. Okay, the name of that prisoner of war was Tom. 35. The day Sadao opened the soldier's stitches, he called the police, typed out a letter to the chief of the police. C. Made him run away. D. Tied him away. Okay, so now the correct answer is B. That means he typed out a letter to the chief of the police. Okay, now next question 36. On the seventh day after the operation, A. All the servants of Sadao left together. B. The police raided the house. C. The prisoner ran away. D. Sadao told the general about the prisoner. So now the correct answer is correct A. So that means कि this is the correct answer A. All the servants of the Sadao left together. Okay, now student, next question. So next question is 37. Why are we different from other Japanese? This was said by the servant. B. The general. C. Sadao. D. Hana. So now the correct answer is D. That means Ki Hana. 38. The messenger had come to Sadao's house. A. To arrest him. To arrest the prisoner. C. To arrest Hana. D. To call Sadao to the old general's house. Okay, so now the correct answer is D. That means to call Sadao to the old general's house. Now 39. The general only wanted Sadao to operate upon him because A. Sadao was very skilled. B. Sadao did not like any other doctor. C. The general did not like any other soldier. C. General was his close friend. D. General did not want to go abroad for surgery. So now the correct answer is A. That means Sadao was very skilled. 40. The general wanted to send his private assistants to Sadao's house to kill Hana, kill B, kill Sadao, C, kill the prisoner, D, kill the gardener. Okay, so now the correct option is C, kill the prisoner. Okay, now next question 41. When the assassins did not come, Sadao decided to A. Kill the prisoner himself, B. Help him to escape, C. Hand him over to the police, D. Send him to America. So now the correct answer is B. Okay, help him to escape. So now next question. The escape for Sadao would be in A. Korean fishing boat, B. A Russian fishing boat, C. A Chinese fishing boat, D. A Japanese fishing boat. Okay, so now the correct answer is A. Okay, student, A is the correct answer here. कि a Korean fishing boat. Okay, so now next question. The young prisoner was asked to flash the light if food ran out. So A, twice, B, thrice, C, once, D, not all. Okay, the correct answer is A, that means twice. Okay, now next question. He told the prisoner to eat only A, raw fish, B, ripe fruit, C, cooked food, D, raw vegetables. Okay, now student next. So now the correct answer of this question is 44. 44 goes A. That means ki raw fish. So thou made the prisoner dress up in A, Korean clothes, B, Chinese clothes, C, Indian clothes, D, Japanese clothes. So now the correct answer is A. That means ki a Korean clothes. Okay, now next question. 48. The general in not sending the assassins had been A, unpatriotic, B, patriotic, C, selfish for himself, D, helpful toward the Sadao. So now the question is C, selfish for himself towards Sadao. Okay, now student. So now next question. 47. Sadao got his reward when A, the prisoner could escape, B, when he got an award from the government, C, when his servants returned, D, when his wife appreciated him. Okay, so student, now the correct answer is A. That means ki a prisoner could escape. Now 48 question. Sadao had been a victim in America of A, racial prejudice, B, unruly mob, C, impartial teachers, D, unfriendly classmates. Okay, so now correct answer is A. That means ki racial prejudice. Now 49 question. The 49th question is the American landlady had once helped Sadao when A, she nursed him through influenza, B, she gave him food for a month, C, had mended his clothes, D, had not taken rent for a month. Okay, so student, the correct answer is A. Okay, she nursed him through influenza. Okay, so student, this is the your answer key, and you can now see the answers from here also, or I also help you, but still you need to answer key, so you can use this key for your reference, and you can share this video with the other students. तो ये देखो 48 49 क्वेश्चन जो है ना, रेशियल 48 रेशियल प्रेजुडिस, सी. नाउ 49 she nursed him through influenza. Okay students, with this I conclude this video. Thank you very much for watching, and keep on watching my next videos. Thank you very much. Okay student.